Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Tech Edu Information Knowledge is Life. In this video we are going to see 2D transformation methods. So now in today's video we will see a first translation method or technique called as a translation, and in upcoming videos we will see what are the other techniques of 2D transformation. So now let us start by the definition of transformation. So transformation is the process of modifying or repositioning the existing graphics object. By considering any graphics object and we want to modify its size, we want to alter, decrease its size or increase the size of that object, or we want to move it from one location to another one, then the process is required which is known as transformation. And this transformation takes place in two-dimensional plane, the plane which is created by x and y axis. Now, what are the transformation techniques? So basically there are first one translation, second one rotation, third one scaling, fourth one reflection, and the fifth one is shear. Now let us see translation means what. So 2D translation is a process of moving an object from one position to another one in two-dimensional plane. It is called as a 2D translation. Let us start with actual implementation, how we are going to move a particular object. So consider a point object P has to be moved from one position to another in 2D plane. So for that purpose we need to draw an x-axis, after that we need to draw y-axis, and then let us consider initial coordinates of object P as x old and y old. So we need to plot that particular object in our 2D plane with the value of P x old and y old. So which will point to this location and which will point to this location respectively. Now we will having new coordinate of object P after translation. So the values will be x new and y new. Pointing is done with P dash, x new and y new, which is plotted here. Now whatever the translation is performed, it can be calculated with the help of translation vector, and that is also called as a shift vector. So the values which are having change in x-axis is defined with tx, and the movement or the values which are having changes in y-axis is called as ty. So translation along with x-axis is called as translation vector or shift vector tx, and translation along y-axis is called as translation vector or shift vector ty. Now given translation vector tx and ty is defined here. Tx defines the distance that x coordinate has to be moved, which is defined here, and ty defines the distance the y old coordinate has to be moved here. So this is all about the translation. Now let us take in calculation purpose. When we want to achieve any translation by adding the translation coordinate to the old coordinates of the object, it means what? To find out the translated object's new coordinate value, we need to add translation vector in respective axis coordinate value. So that x new will be achieved by adding translation vector tx into x old value, and y new value will be achieved by y old plus ty. We can represent in the form of matrix 1. So in matrix form, the above translation equation may be represented as in this format: x new y new and x old y old plus tx ty. So this is the column vector matrix format. Now the homogeneous coordinate representation of x and y is x, y and 1. Though this representation, all the transformation can be performed using matrix or vector multiplication. So we can say that representation in the form of 3 by 3 matrix like this one. So x new, y new and 1 is equal to diagonal matrix. Tx and ty will be represented here into x old, y old and 1. So these are the homogeneous coordinates representation for translation matrix. Now let us take an example. So consider given a circle C with radius of 10 and center coordinates 1, 4. Apply the translation with distance of 5 towards x-axis and 1 towards y-axis, and we need to obtain the new coordinates of C without changing its radius. So when we will be having this kind of example, we need to plot our x axis and y axis along with its coordinate values. So in this way we can plot our coordinate values of that plane which is created by our two dimensions x and y. Now we need to find out the solution with the help of given values. So we are having a center of circle with 1 and 4 values of x and y respectively. So first of all we will plot this in our plane in this way, and we will be having translation vector tx and ty 5 and 1. So whatever we have plot circle, now we need to apply the translation vector. So we object will move 5 to distance 5 towards x axis. So tx will be applied and 1 towards x axis. So that distance we are going to apply it. Now we need to calculate it. So to find out the new values of x new and y new of the center, we need to apply the translation equation. So the x new will be applied with the help of x old plus tx is equal to 1 plus 5 is equal to 6, and y new will be calculated with the help of y old plus ty is equal to 4 plus 1. So the new coordinates of center are 6 and 5 respectively. So we can plot this value in our two-dimensional plane. Now we can calculate this with the help of matrix also. So all are given having solution. We just need to put our all the values in column format. So column matrix format it can be called as. So x new y new will be x old plus x old y old plus tx ty. Put all the values. X old is 1, y old is 4, tx is 5 and ty is 1. So we will get our new coordinates of center of that circle 6 and 5 respectively. So these are the coordinates. Thank you.